butt end. So we're in Fresno, California. We came out and to repair a water line. So we've got, there was a plate strap in there, a little self-nailer, but it's the old 18 gauge. Even the new 16 gauge, they really don't stand much of a chance against an air nailer. And you can see it penetrated through. So the hole was pretty close to the floor. We had to demo back the bottom plate. And we weren't comfortable soldering. You know, we can certainly be gentle back there, but you know, you've got building paper and foam behind building paper. You've got a vinyl floor here, and then you know the wood structure. You know, the wood will last a bit. Main concern would be any over as the flame works around a soldered joint. That flame could penetrate that 3/4 OSB board and get into the cavity down there and begin to smolder, or anything hot dropping down in there. So we didn't want to burn the building down. So just shark bite coupling, those are UPC approved. And so that's in 3/4. Like I said, there's movement here. It'll move back and forth. And the only time you have to worry about that is when you go to turn this faucet on. Just hold the bib, you know, and then turn the water on. And that's the only time you turn these on. You don't turn these off and on a regular basis. So it's just a one-time thing. Hold on to it and get that water turned back on. So water's onto the home right now. We ask that you monitor it as long as bearable for you. I know you want to get this buttoned up, but just monitor that. You know, we're going to shove some paper towel, or just a little paper towel in there, just in the event that you have any weeping whatsoever. And just a hint of moisture we need to know, because we're going to get back in there and do a different repair, which is going to include opening this floor up. So everything is good outside of that. This installation is done.